Hello, welcome to Maths with Jay. The first thing to do when we've got an equation with fractions is to get rid of the fractions as soon as possible. So what we're going to do here is look for the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5, so that's 20, and multiply both sides by 20. So we're going to have 20 over 4 multiplied by 2x minus 1, and multiplying the second fraction by 20, that's 20 over 5 times x minus 1. And of course it's really important to remember that we're multiplying both sides by 20. So we're of course multiplying the right hand side by 20 as well. So let's just simplify that a bit. So 20 over 4 is 5, 20 over 5 is 4, and then 2 times 20 is 40. So now that looks so much easier. No fractions to deal with at all. So all we need to do is multiply out the brackets, gather up the like terms. So let's do the multiplying out of the brackets. So 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times negative 1 means we're subtracting 5. 4 times x, 4x. And then we're subtracting 4, and that's equal to 40. So on the left hand side we've got 10x and 4x, and we're taking away 5 and taking away 4. So adding together the 10x and the 4x gives us 14x. And what I'm going to do is take onto the other side, in other words add 9 to both sides, the other terms, so that we've got the anything that doesn't involve x is going to be on the right hand side. So 40 plus 5 plus 4 is 49. So x is equal to 49 over 14, which simplifies. When we divide both numbers by 7, it simplifies to 7 over 2. If you prefer, you could write that as 3.5. I'm going to leave it like that. And of course we can easily check our answer by substituting this number into the left hand side of our given equation. So let's check. So if we do that, then the left hand side of the equation that we've been given is going to be 2 times 7 over 2, subtract 1 over 4, so that's the 2x minus 1 over 4, and then we're going to add x minus 1 over 5, and we're putting in 7 over 2 as the x, and that's over 5. So that will give us 7 minus 1 over 4, and 7 over 2, take away 2 over 2 will be 5 over 2, so that's 5 over 2 times 5. So that gives us 6 over 4, and then we're adding on a half, aren't we? So that's 3 over 2 plus a half, which is 2. So our answer is correct.